All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Based on popular demand, I am actually making this video to teach the newbies how to swap any coin. Okay, any coin, either USDC, Solana, any coin you find yourself holding within your Phantom wallet. This is the Phantom wallet. I'm going to show you that right now on your Google Play Store. Over here on the Google Play Store, this is how the Phantom wallet looks like. You install it, set it up the same way you set up your Trust wallet and every other DeFi wallet. You understand? Immediately you are done setting it up, the next thing you need to do is for you to fund the wallet with any coin of your choice. The native coin is Solana. So let's assume you have Solana and you would like to swap this Solana into any other coin of your choice. Maybe from Solana to USDC or from USDT to Solana. This is what you would do. Locate this browser icon here. Okay, and make use of the available DeFi projects. Then the option number 2 you have is this one in the middle here. This one is the one that is the native swap function. Okay, on the Phantom wallet, the native swap function. But for those of you who would like to position yourself for possible airdrop in the future, come over here, this one here at the top right hand corner, click on it. Then when you click on it, you are going to have different DeFi applications under this section that says apps. Okay, over here we have JUP claim, which is the Jupiter claim for the current airdrop that is ongoing. We have Soul Blaze. Then if you swipe here, if you keep on swiping, you're going to see other applications. Then on the list here, you have Jupiter Radium, Magic Eden, which happens to be a marketplace for NFTs. We have Bird Eye, a DeFi exchange also. Then if you keep on scrolling, we have other one. Now for this particular video, this particular tutorial, I'll be making use of MarginFi. Okay, MarginFi. So I'll click on MarginFi. All right. Your interface might not look the same way mine will appear due to the fact that I have set up my own MarginFi. So this is it here. At the bottom here, we have the lend, we have stake, we have portfolio, then we have more. So lending is a portion of MarginFi whereby you can lend token. Okay, just like when you go to the bank to collect loan. You understand? So over here you have lend, over here you have borrow. So in the bank, if you go to the bank to go and lend, that's to collect a loan, it is called lending. Then when you are given, okay, when you are given, the person that's giving it to you is actually borrowing it to you. You understand? So when you are lending, you're going to be paying this person interest. But that's not what I am teaching in this particular tutorial. So where I want you all to focus your attention is this more tab here. So click on more and then click on swap. Okay, because we want to swap from one coin to another. All right, within this Phantom. So here you have this section and you have this section. So that particular coin you want to swap from to another one, we have to be at the top here. Then the one you want to swap it to will be at the bottom. Okay, so when I click on this top one here, USDC, you are going to see that I have lists of other projects, coins. Okay, now the one I want to swap now, I want to swap my USDC into Solana. So I'll select this first one, which is the USDC, because I have a total sum of $117 here. So I'll click on it. Then I want to swap it to Solana. Solana is auto-selected here, but in case Solana is not auto-selected on your own, you need to click on this Sol. Click on it and then select the particular coin you want to swap to. Okay, you can see on the list here we have Solana, we have ACS, we have WEN, we have Jupiter, we have USDT, we have USDC. Okay, so let me quickly go back again, because some of you may not know what USDC is all about. USDC is actually the version of USDT. Okay, this is the version of USDT. So USDC is operating on the Solana blockchain, while USDT is operating on the Tron blockchain. You see, the reason why I said you all should pay and learn crypto. When you pay and learn crypto, trust me, you are going to understand these things from the basic. You understand? So let's assume you want to swap your USDT. Maybe you have USDT on your Phantom. Click here and look for USDT. This is USDT. Then over here, you enter the amount of USDT. Let us say you have maybe like $2 or $5. You enter 5. So when you enter 5, you will see that this one changes. Okay, this one changes, which is Solana. So this is what you are going to get when you swap 5. You understand? But for me, I don't have USDT. What I have is USDC. So I'm going to click at the top here again to switch it to USDC. So for this, I'll be swapping. For this, I'll be swapping $7 worth of USDC into Solana. Okay, so I will need to sign in and connect my wallet again. So you all should learn how to connect your wallet at the same time at the top here, or you're going to find it somewhere below here. So click to connect your wallet. Or I will connect my wallet here. I'll select Phantom and make sure that when you are swapping, you are doing everything within the browser. Okay, this is the browser icon here. Within this browser, you must do everything within this browser. If you're not doing it within the browser, you won't get it correctly. Okay, so since I have USDC, I'm going to enter the amount which I want to swap to Solana. So I want to swap $7 worth of USDT into Solana. So I've entered 7 here. This is the value here, $7, and this is what it's going to give me in figures in Solana, which is automatically $7 here. So I'm going to click on swap below here. Okay, this is the swap button here. I'll click on it to carry out the transaction. Then I'll click on confirm. Okay, then I'll click on confirm again to confirm and authorize it. So it's currently swapping. All right, so these actions I'm taking right now, so the swap is successful. So this is it here, the swap is successful. Then it's asking me if I would like to swap more. So for now, I'm not swapping. Okay, I've done this for the purpose of this tutorial. So this is how you swap your coin from one coin to another using the Phantom, and at the same time a DeFi protocol called MarginFi. From the beginning, I said there are other DeFi projects. Okay, but I'm using this MarginFi because what I just did now has given me a position, okay, for a possible future airdrop on this MarginFi. So I'll go back to my home page. You are going to see that I'll refresh this. Okay, I'll refresh this. All right, so previously I had $117 here. Right now I have 110. Then I have $8 here because I swapped 7 out of the 117 here into Solana. Okay, then if you would like to send it out, you click on send. Then if somebody wants to send to you, you click on receive to copy your receiver address. Okay, so I'm going to click on send now to send it to the individuals which I'm sending the coin to. So it's as simple as that. Hit that follow button, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more educational crypto content like this. If you'd like to join my crypto class, then you can register and gain the knowledge you need. You're welcome. My name remains Eze West.